Okay guys, it's Vixen Tech here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Quickly, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can generate these hyper realistic images using Nano Banana. It's an AI tool, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can achieve this. So last week I uploaded this image on our WhatsApp graphic design community, and I told my people that if they are interested, they should let me know. That is, if they want me to teach them how they can generate this particular image using Nano Banana, they should let me know. And some persons indicated interest. That is the main reason why I am making this tutorial video. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, I want you to go to your Play Store. That's Google Play Store. Yes, go there. Now go to search. I want you to search for Gemini. Yes, this is the application, Gemini. Just search for it. I've already installed it into my phone, so it will take me straight to the app. Now, the first thing I want you to do the moment you launch this app is for you to change the model to 2.5 Pro. This is what I'm talking about. Change it to this model. It is very important. If you don't change it to this model, it won't give you the right image. So it's important to change it to this model. Now, if you've done that, the next thing I want you to do is to upload the image you want to use. The image you would like to apply that effect on. For instance, I want to apply the effect on this particular image. I've successfully uploaded it. Now let's copy the right prompt. For you to generate any hyper realistic image using Nano Banana, you have to make use of the right prompt. So if you don't make use of the right prompt, it is not going to give you exactly what you want. Now let's use this prompt. Copy it. Now let's go and paste it. So paste it here. That reminds me, you can also tweak the prompt. Probably you want a different background or a particular background. You can just come here and edit the prompt and put what you want to see at the end when it has generated the image. So you can play around with the prompt. So click here. So you just have to wait. So guys, you can see that our image is ready. It has generated it. Okay, let's try another prompt, because I know that many of you might be saying, this is not what I saw on the thumbnail. Calm down. Let's try something else. So guys, this time around we'll be using a different image. Let's use this. Okay, I've uploaded the image. Now let's copy the prompt. So guys, this is the prompt that we are going to use this time around. So I've copied it, then go back, paste it here. Like I previously mentioned, you can play around with the prompt. You can be specific. Probably you want a different background. Just go ahead and edit the prompt. So let's wait for it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the image is ready. Just go ahead and click on this download icon and you download it into your phone. So guys, this is how you generate a hyper realistic image using Nano Banana. It's quite easy. All you need to do is just to import the picture into this application and then give you the right prompt, and it will give you exactly what you've requested. Now, if you want to gain access to all the prompts I have, all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description. It will take you to our WhatsApp community, and then you will have full access to all the prompts. Lest I forget, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also subscribe so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in my next tutorial video. Thank you so much.